Hi, my name is Daniel, and welcome to the Bayonet Battalion card game. This is pretty much a replacement for all face card decks in all poker-related games. It pretty much can be swapped in, and then you simply use the new winning hand combinations, as shown here, in exchange of the traditional face card ones. There are a couple different changes that occur, with wilds being significantly easier to make and having a few special rules. But generally, the cards shift right into your average poker game without a problem. In this one, I'm going to teach you how to play I Split You Choose variant of RENO25. So inside this game, you're going to first have one of the players take 6 cards, and then they're going to split them up into 2 sets. And then the second player is going to choose which set of cards they're going to select and put into their future stack. Then the other player will be dealt 6 cards and split them up in the exact same way for the other player. The other player will then choose which ones they would like to add to their deck. And then the number advances to 8. These are then split into 2 stacks once again. And then you continue this with each player doing the same value multiple times. So it'll be both players will do a split of 6 cards, then a split of 8 cards, then a split of 8 cards, then a split of 6 cards for 6, 8, 8, 8, 6. And the final 3 cards are put out as the community cards. Each player will have their own deck now that they have selected. They will draw 4 cards, and then we'll select 2 of these cards to be inside their reserves, and 2 to be their starting hand. This will then continue until there are no longer cards enough to support the game. In which case, you go right back to the beginning with the I Split You Choose and continue the game. All rules are exactly the same as RENO25, with the exception that at the beginning of each new shuffle, you will do the splitting and choosing. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow us for all new games to play with the Bayonet Battalion deck.